Hello, my name is Jim Olson. This is a video on how to solve percent change problems. On the screen are a few example percent change problems. There are four key quantities involved in percent change problems. Let's take a look at this situation inside the box, which states all four quantities. Membership last year was 80. This year, membership is 86. This is an increase of 6 members. The percent change is 7.5%. The first key quantity is the original amount, or the starting amount, or sometimes called the old amount, which is 80. The second key quantity is the new amount, which is 86. It's the amount after the change. The third quantity is the amount of change, which is the difference between the old amount and the new amount. It may happen, if it's a decrease, that the new amount will be smaller than the old amount, but you still subtract. Finally, the percent change is the fourth key quantity. You might be wondering, how did I find the 7.5% as the percent change? Let's take a look. You'll notice that in our word problems that we had on the first slide, it's typical that 2 of the 4 numbers are given, and then we can find the other 2. Our definition, or formula for percent change, is percent change is equal to amount of change divided by the original amount. Another way of stating this is that we have the percent change of the original amount is equal to the amount of change. You'll notice that this form, blank percent of blank is similar to what we've seen on previous videos. Percent of whole is a quote-unquote part. These percent problems can be solved using either the proportion method or the algebra method, which is described in previous videos. So we have two methods here that are both useful. The percent change equals amount of change divided by original amount method, or the blank percent of original is equal to the amount of change. Let's take a look at our first example. If flu cases dropped from 52 to 45, what was the percent decrease? We're just trying to find percent change, so I'm going to use amount of change divided by original amount. The amount of change is found by subtracting, which is 7. I'm going to go ahead and plug in now. So percent change is equal to 7 divided by 52. I'll go ahead and divide now, maybe on a calculator. In this case, I'm rounding off to 0.135, and as a percent, that's 13.5%. If the question asks for a percent, make sure that your answer is a percent. In our next example, we want to find the sale price if the regular price is $86 and it's 20% off. I'm going to use percent change of original is equal to amount of change. My percent change of 20% goes in this position. Of is here, 86 is my original, and the amount of change is here. So if I take 20% of 86, I get an amount of change of 17.2. Now I can use that amount of change to find the sale price. 86 minus $17.20 gives me an answer of $68.80. Now read the following example. I'm going to use percent change of original is equal to amount of change. 8% of x, where x is original, is 14. Now I'll solve for x. X is equal to 175, but x was the original amount, and this question asked for the number of kindergarten roundup students this year. We get our answer by adding 14. Our answer is 189 students. In the next video, I'm going to show you another method called the percent remaining method for solving percent change problems. Have a great day.